everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video Techlog, I will be showing you how to change display name in Yahoo. So I'm gonna show you this process on Google browser as I cannot record a video in Yahoo Mail app due to privacy reason. So you can do the same process that I have shown in Google Chrome the same way in your mobile application of Yahoo. So open the Google browser and there you open the yahoo.com. Tap up with the yahoo.com on the search bar, then press enter and then get logged in into the account first. As you can see, I'm already logged in into my account. Now once you are logged in, you tap on the profile icon, then tap on account setting, tap that. In the account setting page, you will be directed to the information page over here, and here you need to tap on update personal details, tap that. This is the name that is displayed on your Yahoo Mail. For you to change it, you need to remove your name and change it to a different one. So I'm just gonna reverse the name. That is, I'm gonna put my first name as my last name, then my last name as my first name, and I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna choose the gender over here, then tap on save update. And just like that, you can change the Yahoo Mail display name. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.